Michelle's over there yelling at me. You won't learn, will ya? Oh, man. That was a beautiful sounding signal. 22, 23 or something. It was showing 1 bar of depth. I thought it was going to be a bloody bottle top. Flicked it out. It's a frigging cricket buckle. I think. Yeah, it is too. Oh my God. Have a go of that. Oh God. That is bloody beautiful. I'll give it a light brush and see if we can get some detail. Ah, there it is. Look at that. Got the cross bat and cross stumps. A couple of cricket balls there either side and a handshake in the middle.